Imagine a world where digital currency isn't just for tech experts or wealthy investors. What if anyone with a smartphone could participate, simply by tapping a button each day? This is the core idea behind the Pi network, cryptocurrency made accessible to everyone. A bold mission to put the power of digital money in the hands of ordinary people, not just a select few. At the heart of this new ecosystem is the global consensus value, the GCV. It's more than a number. It's a shared belief about what one Pi should be worth. Instead of markets or central banks, value is agreed by millions of pioneers. That consensus sets a foundational price for goods and services, so commerce can flourish. Before GCV, we need the tech that makes it possible, the blockchain. No heavy jargon. Think of a shared digital notebook. Each time someone sends Pi, a new entry is written. That entry is called a block. It shows who sent, who received, and how much. It's one line in a massive public ledger, the blockchain. Blocks link with cryptographic codes, forming an unbreakable chain. Change one old entry and the chain breaks. Everyone else sees the mismatch immediately. So the ledger is permanent and tamper-proof. Unlike a bank's central server, blockchain lives on many nodes worldwide. No single point of failure. It keeps running securely. For Pi, this is the canvas where GCV-backed transactions are recorded. Two pioneers agree a price in Pi for a handmade scarf, guided by the community's GCV. They confirm the amount and initiate the transaction. Details go to the Pi blockchain. The chain records Pi moving from wallet A to wallet B, permanently. For example, 0.005 Pi transferred. Multiply that by thousands, then millions, across the network. Each transaction reinforces the credibility of the GCV. Think of GCV as the blueprint everyone follows. Transactions are the bricks, mortar, and wood. The blockchain is the indestructible foundation holding it all together. How does a number you mined by tapping become coffee or a laptop? Value comes from utility and social agreement. Pi proposes a high GCV to frame Pi as purchasing power, not speculation. When sellers trust the value, they exchange valuable goods for Pi. A real economy loop forms. Goods and services for Pi. GCV gives confidence to list prices directly in Pi. A designer charges a fraction of a Pi for a logo. A cafe sells pastries for Pi. Utility turns Pi from abstract to practical. Pioneers mine Pi, agree on GCV. Merchants accept Pi. Pioneers buy, and merchants spend. A virtuous cycle. Across Vietnam, Nigeria, the Philippines, and beyond, pioneers aren't waiting. They're trading at GCV. A farmer sells part of his harvest for Pi, priced by local GCV. A technician offers repairs, accepting only Pi as a long-term bet. Artists sell digital works and prints exclusively for Pi. Creative labor becomes currency within the Pi ecosystem. Each trade reinforces GCV and Pi's real-world utility. Value doesn't have to come from Wall Street. It can be built from the ground up by a community. GCV becomes the common language for global peer-to-peer commerce. This is how digital promise turns into tangible economic reality. Step 1. Download the Pi Network app and start mining once every 24 hours. Mining is energy light and accessible. Step 2. Complete KYC to verify you're a real unique human. After KYC, migrate to mainnet. Your Pi becomes real crypto in your wallet. Explore merchants who accept Pi, with prices often influenced by GCV. Find an item, agree on the Pi price, and pay via QR or address. The transaction is recorded on-chain, permanent and secure. You've gone from earning Pi to buying a real item in a decentralized economy. Pi and its GCV rethink how value is created and distributed. They aim to democratize benefits beyond experts and wealthy investors. Anyone with a smartphone can participate and benefit. GCV tackles crypto's biggest problem: extreme volatility. Stable value is essential for daily transactions. Challenges remain: growth, security, robust marketplaces, commitment. But millions of engaged users are a powerful foundation. This is a people-first economic model. The future isn't something that happens to us.